Bonjour, bonjour. Welcome to our first video lecture. We are on chapter 7, so be sure to read the assigned pages this week. Just making sure you are in the right class. You've taken at least 2 semesters of college French or 2 years of high school. If not, talk to me. Very quick revision. These are the absolute essentials. You have to know these 2 verbs. We will use them every day this semester. And if you don't have them memorized, you may as well just stop right now and memorize them. Just get it out of the way. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. That's the verb to be. I am, you are, he is, etc. Avoir, the verb to have. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. So memorize those 2 verbs. Here's a little quick exercise. You can pause the PowerPoint, put the correct verb, decide is it être or avoir, and what form of the verb to use. That'll be a quick check for you. Okay, are you back? Is this what you put? If not, try again. Another quick review. There are 3 groups of regular verbs in French. The biggest by far are the verbs in ER, les verbes en ER. So, aimer, to like or to love. Very easy to conjugate these verbs. You take off the ER and you add these endings. J'aime, tu aimes, il aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment. Inside this red boot, they are all pronounced the same. So, tu aimes, the verb is pronounced the same as ils aiment, except for that liaison. So just as a reminder, this week already in your discussion, you're going to be using some of these verbs like écouter, regarder, and you're going to be using it on the vocabulary this week. So the vocabulary on page 207, les médias. I will pronounce it for you and you can pause and practice. So, le journal télévisé, le JT. Un feuilleton, la météo. Une série, un documentaire, des talk shows, la télé-réalité, des films, changer de chaîne, faire du zapping, les infos, the news, les infos routières, les informations routières, traffic news, une émission musicale, une émission culturelle, des tubes, changer de fréquence, change a radio station. Let's go down here. La publicité ou la pub, commercials, advertisements, un reportage, des magazines, these are exposés, as opposed to an actual magazine is called une revue. Un match de foot en direct means live, des divertissements, des jeux, des dessins animés. So if you like SpongeBob, that is a dessin animé. Une émission, un programme, des téléfilms, des sports, la musique en streaming, un podcast, un blog, un blogueur ou une blogueuse, une plateforme de streaming vidéo et les réseaux sociaux. So with your conversation group, this is the type of things you can say in your conversation. Je regarde souvent, parfois, le JT, I watch the news. J'écoute de la musique en streaming sur Spotify ou Deezer, par exemple. J'adore la série Bridgerton sur Netflix. Je déteste la télé-réalité. J'écoute parfois un podcast NPR. J'aime les réseaux sociaux. Instagram est mon favori, so you can have all sorts of conversations about your favorite shows, your favorite streamers, streaming platforms, your favorite podcasts, etc. This is the second group of regular verbs in French, the IR verbs. And these are, take off the IR and add these endings, je finis, tu finis, il finit. With the plurals, you add that extra ISS, and then you have the regular endings. Finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent. So the IR verbs. And then we learned the RE verbs last semester. You take off the RE and you add these endings. SS, nothing, ONS, easy, ENT. So attendre, to wait, descendre, to go down, entendre, to hear, for example. And of course, this is another essential verb, the verb aller, aller, to go. So je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils et elles vont. So that's another verb. If you don't know that by heart, stop what you're doing right now and go practice the flashcards. Because that verb allows us to talk in the future. I'm going to do something. Je vais manger après la classe. Tu vas aller au cinéma. Nous allons regarder un film. So you really need to know that verb. Aller, négatif. Je ne vais pas travailler. So the second verb is always infinitive. But if you want to make that negative, you just put the ne pas, make a sandwich around that first verb. Okay, that's the future. Now, in this chapter, we're learning finally how to talk about the past. And there are two past tenses in French. The first one we're learning is le passé composé, and it is composed of two parts. So, an auxiliary and a past participle. So, the auxiliary that we're working with today is the verb avoir. So again, if you don't know the verb avoir, stop what you're doing and memorize it. You're going to be using it in every sentence. So for regular verbs, the past participle is pretty simple. For ER verbs, the past participle is take off the ER and put an E with an accent aigu. And we're going to pronounce that E because of the accent. We're going to say manger. The IR verbs end in I. The RE verbs take off the RE and it ends in U. So what does that look like? For example, tu as regardé Netflix? Did you watch Netflix this weekend? Tu as regardé? How would you say yes, I watched? J'ai regardé. So again, you're conjugating the verb avoir and then you're following it with the past participle because regarder is an ER verb. The past participle is just that E with the accent aigu. Tu as mangé le petit déjeuner? Did you eat breakfast? Ah oui, j'ai mangé. Et tes parents? Did they eat breakfast? How would you say they ate? You would say ils ont mangé. Ils ont. So again, that's the verb avoir. How about other regular verbs? Tu as fini les devoirs. J'ai fini les devoirs. Yes, so the IR verbs end in an I. Et elle, how do you say she finished? Elle a fini les devoirs. So again, you're using that verb avoir. Tu as entendu la question. So this is an RE verb. Did you hear the question? J'ai entendu la question. Et vous, how do you say you heard the question? Vous avez entendu. Okay, now you're going to practice je mange un sandwich. That's present tense. How do you make that past tense with passé composé? You could pause and see if you get the right answer. J'ai mangé. Tu prépares. Tu as préparé. Nous choisissons. It's an IR verb, so what's the past participle? Nous avons choisi. Vous attendez le bus. You wait for the bus. Vous avez attendu. So the attendre is an RE verb, ends in U. Mes amis finissent le livre. So this is an IR verb. Ils ont fini. They finished. Now, you just have to memorize these irregular past participles of these important irregular verbs. So être, I'll just pronounce these for you. This is the verb to be, été, faire, fait, prendre, pris, mettre, mis, comprendre, compris, apprendre, appris, avoir, eu, vouloir, voulu, pouvoir, pu, boire, bu, voir, vu, devoir, dû. So if you're not clear what these verbs are, again, this is a good opportunity to pause and remind yourself. Tu as fait la cuisine? Tu as vu le film Dune? Did you see the film Dune? So make these sentences the past tense. This is the last thing. So pause and see if you can write these. Nous avons bu. Tu fais les devoirs is the verb faire. Tu as fait. Je suis, I'm in Los Angeles. How do you make that past tense? J'ai été à Los Angeles. I was in Los Angeles. Elle met un pantalon. She puts on pants. Elle a mis un pantalon. Vous voyez un bon film. You see a good film. Vous avez vu un bon film. So lots of vocabulary in this chapter and of course revision of your verbs. Very important to get a firm understanding of the passé composé so we can talk about past activities. Okay, merci.